Howdy, we are Decabytes. This is MacDS, a monitor and control development system that we developed. And I'm going to be demonstrating how to add and delete users. This right here with the black electrical tape is the admin tag, and this is the user tag that is going to be added and deleted, and I will be demonstrating that now. So to begin, you touch the touch screen. It says please swipe card over RFID reader. You place it right here. You log into the admin menu, and then you add user again, present it over the tag. Says user added successfully. And now I'm going to log in with the user, and you have to wait a couple seconds for the button to be prompted. When the button is prompted, I will press it. And now I'm in the user menu, and the user has access to Vending, and that is it. The admin has a little bit more functionality. So now I'm going to delete this user by logging back in with the admin. So I will go to add and delete user, and then I will place the tag, and it says user deleted successfully. And then I will try and delete that same user again, and it says user not in system. So just a quick overview of the admin menu. You can add and delete users. You can go into lab view, which I will be demonstrating here shortly. You can ping the internet, and you can also Vend. So now I'm going to be demonstrating the lab view portion of this, where we're going to be able to do keep track of inventory on the SD card and update the inventory, and also control the lights and view the power cycles. So to begin, you must log in with the admin tag. And then on the admin menu, you have to select the lab view button, and then the screen prompts and tells you are now in lab view configuration mode. So I've already connected MacDS with USB mini cable, so this is going to my laptop. And then over on my laptop I have the LabVIEW GUI running. So first you must select the COM port, and then you are able to run. And once you're running, there is a status bar located down here that says connect to MacDS under the configuration tab. So now we connect, and then now we are connected. So now here is the light control tab. So this is a button to read the current settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this is reading the settings that are currently on the SD card. So as you can see, the sleep brightness is set at 50%, the active brightness is at 79, and the power cycles is currently at 64. So over here is where you can actually go ahead and update the light control settings. So this is where you set the sleep brightness. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to about 20%, the active brightness around 80. And then this is the ramp rate. So this is the ramp to the active brightness settings in seconds, And this is a ramp to sleep brightness in seconds. So I'll go ahead and set that to about 3 seconds. And then you can update the current settings. And then on the status bar it says it was successfully updated the light control to MacDS. So now I'm going to go ahead and update every coil to 18. So this right here is the update vending inventory. So there are 2 settings to be able to update the inventory. One of which is the update individual, or you could update every coil. So I'm going to go ahead and type right here update inventory to 18, and I'm updating every coil. And this takes about 20 seconds because it's opening and closing all the files that are located on the SD card within MacDS. So it says every coil's inventory has been updated successfully. So now I'm going to go to the read inventory tab, and over here there are 6 rows within the vending machine, and I will click read current inventory, and the status bar says reading inventory, current light controls, and number of power cycles. So as you can see, every coil has been updated to 18. And now I'm going to demonstrate vending on the vending machine. So I will disconnect on LabVIEW, and that will prompt the screen back to its normal mode. So now we're in the admin menu, and then I will select Vend, and I will just select a Vend to do a drop. So I will select a 1 and a 0, and then Vend. And as you can see, the item is being vended, and the screen says successful Vend and drop. So now I'm going to be demonstrating a successful vend with a no drop. I will select vend and I will do 3 and 0. So as you can see, the coil over here is spinning. And this screen says no drop was not detected. So I'm now connected to MacDS, and I'm going to go ahead and read the inventory to show that there was a drop, or with a successful drop. So as you can see, the inventory has been deducted from coil 1. And now I'm going to be demonstrating the light control. So if you click these buttons over here, these test the ramp lights active or the ramp light sleep. So I'm going to go ahead and ramp the lights active. And this is a 5-second ramp rate to about 80%. And this brightness is determined by the amount of ambient light that is detected from this sensor. So if you notice that this brightness currently right now is being adjusted to the ambient light. So if I go ahead and cover that and then rerun it, it'll go to a brighter setting. The reason being is that if there's not enough light detected in the vending machine, then there should be more light present to illuminate the vending machine. So now I also have an extreme if there's so much light in the vending machine that it will not even turn the lights on. So I'm going to saturate this sensor with light and then rerun it, and you will see the lights don't actually turn on.